This is a quick video, I hope, of this electronic ball valve. You can see the valve, the ball part of the valve down there. And you're going to use this as a flow controller. And it has a display up top too to say if it's open or closed. Red is closed fully when it's all red, yellow open. And here's the termination. You're going to connect it to a similar 4-wired connection. I just connected that. Now here are my leads that I'm going to use to connect it. I'll show you how to do that. So red is the line power and black is the line neutral. So I'm going to put the red here in the power that supplies the 24 volts from my 24 volt power supply. Connect him up. And then put the black in as well for my negative channel. Once you've done that, you should see that the valve is on. So there it is, it's showing it's on. It's not really scrolling like that, that's just the effect from the camera. And then this is going to go, this is our control, so we put positive 4 to 20 milliamps through these two lines here, and it's in my analog out module right there in location number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, analog out up to 20 milliamps. Okay, so now I'm going to put the blue in the top one here, put that in, tighten it down, and the green one, put that in there. You're also going to need to power the analog output module. Down at the bottom is the common one, so you put the black down there, put that in there. And put the black here. So now this unit will be powered. Put this here for my positive voltage in, from which the current will be drawn. Then I can power the unit. So I have Labview up. I right click and I'm going to choose Express. So I go down here to Express and then pick Output, because I'm going to be outputting a signal, and Deck Assist. I can drop him right there, and then I'm going to say, oh, am I acquiring signal? No, I'm generating signal, and I want an analog out. It's continuous between 4 and 20, and I'm going to output the current. And I'm going to put channel 1, that's where I put everything, and click Finish. And at my min, I'm going to specify a min of 4M, stand for 4 milliamps. There's my amps. I'm not going to scale it. I'm going to choose one sample on demand and put it in a loop, and then click OK. Now I'm going to put my loop around it and create a little variable so I can control the current. So I say structures, put my while loop around this. I gotta wire a stop value, so I can right click and put create control. There's my stop, and then I can right click here, create control. And now when I change my voltage, so 20 volts or 20 milli, no, I'm sorry, not changing voltage, changing current. So if I change this to 4, it will close the valve, and you can see that in there. It's moving. There it goes, closing. and it's moving up here as well. So sorry about the shaky video again, but if I now change it back, let's say I only want to open it partially, so maybe to 8 milliamps. It's moving, I can hear it. You may not be able to hear it, but you can see it's partially opened by the red and yellow, and you can see it's partially open just barely down in there. You can see up the top of the screen maybe there's a little space for the flow. So doing that, you can control how much flow is passing through your system, all the way up to completely open. You can see as it moves open, you got it completely open. Good luck. I know God loves us.